Hey everyone, welcome back. Does the Robinhood work perfectly on mobile data but completely fails when you switch to Wi-Fi? Stuck on loading, showing an error, or data not updating? Here's the fix. First, go to your settings app and then tap Wi-Fi at the top with the blue check mark. Then tap the little eye circle on the right side of your network's name. Tap forget this network and then confirm. Now tap the Wi-Fi toggle on the very top and turn it off. Wait 10 seconds and then turn it back on. Your network will appear. Then tap it and enter your password to reconnect completely fresh. This clears the broken network session that Robinhood was blocking from connecting to its servers. After reconnecting, try Robinhood again. If it still fails on this Wi-Fi but works on mobile data, go to Settings, then go to General. Scroll down to VPN and Device Management and check if any VPN shows as active. Robinhood blocks VPN connections for regulatory compliance and even a background VPN will prevent it from loading data. Disconnect anything listed there. So all you gotta do is go to your settings, then Wi-Fi, then forget and reconnect fresh. Check VPN and device management for anything active. Robinhood working on Wi-Fi again, and that's it. Subscribe.